All right, just like going to the doctor or dentist every year, your home needs an annual checkup too.
That's right. Here to share more about their home inspection program and how you can check for hidden damage, Joe Altman, Integrity Home Exteriors. Joe, thank you for being here again.
Thanks for having us.
And we appreciate it when you're here because we always check on Joe's beard. It's kind of like a timeline. This is the summer cut here.
Yeah.
Looks
good.
fantastic.
Thank you.
And we don't have flannel. It's too hot for flannels.
Too hot
today.
for flannels.
Okay.
Yeah, it's killing me. But
So I like this idea of a checkup because honestly, most of us just wait until something goes terribly awry.
Yeah.
And this is a bad business plan for your home.
Right.
So talk about a home checkup. What do you check?
yeah, so there's obviously a lot of things that go on in your home that you don't really pay attention to, especially if it's up on the roof or in the gutters, you can't see them. So what our checkups involve is we'll go out and we'll get up on the roof, we'll get into the attic space, even in the summer when it's awfully hot. And then we will look into the gutters, we'll look in those hard to find places behind your air conditioning units and all those other areas, just to see how things are holding up. A lot of times it's your accessories like your flashings and your valleys and your pipe boots that start to fail from the extreme heat or the extreme winters we have. And so we do photo inspections of them and then come down and show people so they don't have to get up on the roof. They don't have to just wonder what's going on.
Sure.
So, yeah.
I imagine you mentioned the extreme heat that we're going through right now, but we've also had so much rain.
Yes.
I imagine that has been a huge area of concern for people with the weather surge, right?
Yeah. And we had the rain with the wind, right? So rain, when it's coming straight down, you may not have a leak, but if it's coming in at an angle, you may have a leak just because of how roofs are put together. So we've had, gone out to quite a few and done some inspections because rain and winds, pull shingles loose, something that's on the brink of going bad. And it takes one good storm for it to fail or something to split or crack, and then you get the issues.
Well, it's also good to have like some baselines too. Like if you see something and you don't quite have to worry about it this year, but then you come back a year
100%.
later and it's progressed or not. I mean,
Yeah.
I imagine you're able to give people a really good assessment of the urgencies.
Yeah, that's actually something that's really helpful to people is one, just being able to budget for the future. It's hard to know okay, the roof has to get done and you don't even know where to start and what it's going to cost you. But then getting up and seeing, hey, you have this much time on this, you have this much time on that. It's hard to give exact times because of the weather, but you can at least get a good idea of what you can expect when you would have to have it done, if you're moving, how much time you have to tackle each of those projects.
And there's a lot of DIYers out there. Some of us are a little bit too dangerous on the DIY.
Yeah.
You mentioned something, though, that I think is really important, is you're getting up on the roof, you're checking that stuff. That's a ladder. A lot of people have some issues as they get a little bit older, getting up on the ladders.
For sure.
You guys are doing it. You guys are trained to do it, and that is a huge part of what you do, isn't it?
Yeah. So we get out there, get out the 2-story ladders. I don't like to get them on them myself. I don't like heights, even though I'm tall.
Wait a minute. You're like 6'5".
I know, it's tall enough for me.
Okay.
But getting up on the roofs, some of the roofs are steeper. You do have to have proper footwear and proper harnessing sometimes. And some people never see the tops of their homes. They never do. And then usually the peak or the ridge of your roof is most susceptible to damage, but that's like the hardest part of your roof to actually see.
What's really nice too is you never know who to call. Like it always feels like this is happening and I don't even know where to start. And you're asking a friend or and it's like to have someone that is really reputable is key with integrity. It's in your name.
Yeah, and that's something we shoot for, and we encourage people to check out our reviews, talk to people who've done business with us, and that's why we offer our free inspection program. So you can actually call in and we'll come out. We don't send out a sales rep or anything, it's just someone to do an inspection. And then if you have anything you want additional information on, then we'll send someone out who can do that stuff.
How do they start that process? Is that just on the website?
Yeah, so you can go on our website, you can go on Facebook, you can go to Google, probably ChatGPT or whatever that looks like. Find us somewhere. So.
Sure. Well, I appreciate you, as always, being here, and appreciate the work that you do. Joe Altman, Integrity Home Exteriors. Thank you so much.
And don't forget to follow our Instagram, because I got a picture of Joe and Tony that you do not want to miss on there after the show.
It really is the long and short of the night.
That's right.